Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this beautiful vine plant, fake plant that I got on Amazon recently. We are putting together our baby nursery, as you can see. And I got this so I can hang it on the ceiling right here on top of this chair. And I was blown away when I first got this plant. The quality is so good, and let me go a little bit farther here so you can see it better. It looks so real. This looks like a real plant. I'm also gonna give you a close-up so you can see better. Even when you get closer, it doesn't look fake. And let me tell you, I have a lot of fake plants in this house. I'm obsessed with plants, fake plants, because they're easier. You don't have to take care of them. And this one is one of the best ones I've ever bought. Here, let me show you. This one is a little bit squished right here, but let me get you like this one right here at the top. So when you get closer, very, very close, you can kind of see that it's fake. It's not real. But even still, the details of it, it's so good. This vine doesn't come with the hanger. I had to buy this separate. I'm getting it all set up so I can hang it on the ceiling. But yeah, I love this. It's also very long. I didn't want something super short. You can see here, it has a pretty good length, and you can hang it on the ceiling. You can leave this on top of your furniture, pretty much anywhere. But yeah, in terms of quality, I am amazed. I actually want to get 2 more to put around the house to display. Like I said, I love plants, and this just looks so real.